Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Apple ID on your iPhone. So this method will work any iPhone and provide full guide. So open your settings, click on to profile name. At first need to log out or sign out this account. Press on to sign out and you just select the second option, sign out but don't erase. Continue. Press on this option, continue, and you just enter your current Apple ID password. Press on confirm and sign out. Okay, and you just wait a couple of seconds. Okay, look here, now successfully sign out this, and I'm just sign in another account. Press on, select, enter email address or phone number, click on to continue and enter password. Press on continue and simply you just wait a few seconds. Continue, enter your current passcode, or if you want to log in this account to another iPhone, just press on current password this account. Okay, now successfully change my Apple account. So that's it.